Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to auto-blend correctly in Adobe Photoshop. Follow the instructions. Let's start. Select your main image and drag the other image on top of the main image, then transform the image as desired. Go to Select menu and click on Subject. Go to Select menu and click on Modify and then click Expand, then give it expand by 20 pixels and hit OK. Click on Layer 1 and mask this layer by clicking on the mask icon. Then unlock the base layer by clicking on the lock icon. Select both layers by pressing Shift key. Go to the Edit menu and click on Auto Blend Layers. Then select Stack Images and hit OK. That's perfect.